Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this. Okay, it looks like a white box. Let me undo the packaging here. We'll fast forward and we'll see what we got. And so what we have here is a shipment from Harry Epstein. These is a set of SK impact sockets. And so this actually comes on a rail like this. I'm not sure that rail is actually sufficient for it. So I was in the market for specifically a 35 millimeter impact socket, half-inch drive anvil. I've got this chrome one here I bought, I don't know, for a couple bucks at the local auto parts store. I put my impact gun on it here. This was not an impact rated socket. I've deformed the socket enough, maybe you can't tell by looking at it, but it doesn't really fit very well on GM axle nuts. I needed a new 35 millimeter. A brand new snap-on one would have been about $60 as list price. You can get the maybe a little bit of a sweeter deal of that, but not by too many dollars on it. I didn't really want to go used, but then I was looking around and found for a USA made set from SK, this was slightly over $120. So basically the price of two snap-on ones, I got a set of 7 impact sockets. And so this goes from 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, only skipping 32, no 29. And it's interesting, if I looked at some of the Matco sets, Max sets, and Cornwell sets, they appear to all be made in Taiwan by what I think was the same manufacturer, but I wanted American made, and for 120 bucks, I don't know that I could have done any better than this one here, than this set here from SK. So let's take this out. I can see there's a little bit of an oil film on it here. Let me grab the 35 because that's the one I care most about here. So this has a little gold marking on it here. At the bottom it is rolled in there. You see USA. And there is a part number that has a lifetime warranty on it through SK. 35 millimeter. It's got a little scratched up finish here. You kind of expect that. Just for comparison, this is just slightly thicker than this chrome socket. It's 6-point. It's good for my half-inch impact gun, and it should be good for removing GM axle nuts. Now, while I appreciate them including this metal rail here for this set of large impact, deep impact sockets, it's clear that this rail is not actually sufficient, and these are just going to have to get stored like that in my toolbox. And so if you're in the market for a set of 6-point deep axle nut impact sockets, I would suggest you give this set a look at, either from Harry Epstein or other retailers. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll put a link below. It's an affiliate link that supports this channel. All of these are clearly stamped and rolled. The 31's got a really nice marking on it here. That's really nice and crisp. You can see it's broached all the way down. There is no broaching on that stops early, so it's truly deep, as opposed to some sockets that are deep, but the broaching for the 6 points doesn't actually go all the way the full depth of the socket. This does. You got the little hole here so you can stick a pin in to release a detent on some of your impacts. This rail here I think is probably going to be trash. I appreciate the thought. It's very generous that they would do that, but I think for this set it just doesn't make any sense. Okay, we're looking at the wheel on my 2008 Saab 97X. This has a 35 millimeter axle nut here. This is on the front axle that holds on the front wheel bearing. And with the wheel cap removed, I can slide this 35 millimeter socket. I should also add this 35 millimeter is printed on 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3 sides. No problem going through the wheel, so there's plenty of clearance for it through these GM wheels with the thickness of the socket. So the socket wall thickness, no problem on this. Here's the part number 4007 if you're interested in that. Hope you found this video useful and interesting, and have a great day. Bye.